I love my hair. I love my hair. And these lips. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. Welcome if you are new. Today's a good day. I'm just saying. Because I got a box. And we're gonna open this box together. And poor little thing. Like per usual. Yeah. This is my Ipsy Glam box. Boxycharm by Ipsy for December 2024. We're in December. This video is the land of December. Sorta. 2024. So like not terrible. Not bad. I'm excited to see what's in here. I kind of feel like Ipsy, like a lot of my subscription boxes where I get to pick whatever, it's like a surprise to me from me, because by the time it gets to me, I kind of forget what I picked, what I ordered, what I got. So, surprise to me. Let's open this together, see what I got. I have no doubt it's going to be great. Or maybe I just got a bunch of stuff for other people for the holidays. Let's see. If you're new to my channel or new to Boxycharm by Ipsy, it's confusing for me to say. I have to slow down and think about it for a second, but I'll leave more in the description down below. It is a monthly subscription box, all kinds of goodies. You get to pick 3 of the 5 full-size items you get. Sometimes they're not all full-size, I want to tell you. But let's open her up, see what I got. It comes in a wonky box, which I get it. It like makes for good recycling, let me tell you. With this odd paper. And that's everything. So if you're done watching, you just want to see what I got, that's like the glimpse. Head on out. Thanks for watching. Otherwise, if you're here for the chit chat and the go over of everything, why does this feel like a Victoria's Secret ad? Just me? Just me? Just me. That's okay. Cute. Ipsy Boxycharm December 2024. This undupable product is coming in January. Can you guess it? Anytime I hear undupable or like one of a kind, something like that, I think of Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury. Because Alexandra Ryan says that. Anywho, we're going to unwrap Joy this month. Inside, oh, I forgot to pull up the app. Every time, if you're not new here, you know. Maybe some stuff that you could have gotten. December micro trends, the icy makeup, checkered chic, the I'm cold makeup look. Let me tell you, I wear the I'm cold makeup look all winter. All of them. Ooh, things to watch. A new gift in town. Ipsy hitting pan. Isn't that their podcast? Yes. I have yet to watch it. Have anybody done it? Has anybody seen it, watched it, done anything with it? Any thoughts? Should I watch it? Okay. Took a minute. Got it pulled up. Let's go through the thingies. Got my box right here up near my face. I can see. This first one looks rather odd out of the box. It's from ALLEYOOP, which I do enjoy that brand. I'm pretty sure I made a video of some of their products. Good stuff. So if you haven't tried them, try them because it's good stuff. This is the ALLEYOOP GAMEFACE Second Skin Concealer in Stand Out, which I'm assuming is the shade. And it's 22 doll hairs. Second Skin Concealer. Do you have any good stuff for me? Under eye area, blemishes, anywhere on the face. Gently dab, blend with built-in. There's a built-in sponge or fingertip. Wait for it to dry if you want like fuller coverage. And then apply another layer. Excuse me? You have a built-in. Oh my gosh. That's why it looks the way it does. Look, here it is. Because I was like, This looks weird as a lady myself. But oh, that color might be, is that plastic or glass? Plastic, right? Color might be an exact match for my skin, just looking at it in here. But with ALLEYOOP, all of their items serve more than one purpose. Like, it's not just one brush. It's a 4-in-1 brush. It's not just a blush compact. It's blush, bronzer, highlight. Like, this is not just a concealer. We have this cutie patootie little sponge in here. I'm curious to see if this is going to be my color or not, but I have like a whole drawer full. Okay, not like a whole drawer, but a basket, which is still just as bad, of concealer, and I don't want to open anymore. Like, I feel bad, but if you guys have tried this, let me know. I will be trying this, so keep an eye out for that in future videos. Cute! $22 doll hairs. Do you think it's worth $22 doll hairs? Maybe. Anywho, on to the next item. Oh, that, by the way, before I move on, well, both of them, that was an item that Ipsy, Boxycharm by Ipsy picked for me, and this one is as well. Yep. So these two items, I was not able to pick. They were chosen for me. The rest of them, I picked on my own. Me. I'm welcome. DERMELECT Cosmic Cuticles Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. How much were you? $45 here. I don't need any more serums. I have a ton. They're on a shelf. Which shelf? I think it's one of those shelves. There's like a whole box full I have to get through, and I'm not getting through them fast enough. So this holiday season, if we are close, be prepared to get one as a gift, because I have too many. I do enjoy these kind though. What brand is it? Is it Herbivore? What are you? Yeah, Herbivore. I like the little squishy bottles like this because I feel like they're easier to apply, and I get a better, what do you call it? Not serving size, but like a dose. It's easy to apply for me. Application. So it says apply on cleansed skin and allow for the serum to absorb, no need to wash off, which of course I would assume that's how we do it. We have yuzu ceramide, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Dang, we are just a heavy hitter here. Yeah, I'm putting it back in the box. No, I'm not going to break that. I'm crazy because I would break that. But how much were you? 45? 42. $45. I'm probably going to be keeping that one. But still giving so many others like as gifts, because there's no way I can use all the face, skin stuff that I use. I have been using a lot of hair stuff. So speaking of, I think I forgot I picked this in my Boxycharm by Ipsy box, because I've been looking to order hair masks. And I do enjoy AMIKA. I think AMIKA is a really good brand. This is $19 hairs. The picture makes it look bigger. It does. But like now that I'm seeing it, okay. $19. AMIKA SOULFOOD Nourishing Mask. And it's for my hair, right? Because that's what you do. Okay. Gosh, you can't like, I'm answering my own question. I'm getting old, too old for this, because you have all these designs on the back, which are like the coolest. And then you have the letters, like words over top, and I can't really see it. It says massage thoroughly through wet hair. Let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse well. Use weekly or daily. I'm probably going to start weekly and then go to daily. Are you open? Can I smell you? You're open. And here I was about to make the joke of like, remember when Boxycharm used to send you open products? That smells nice. Remember how Boxycharm still sends you open products? That smells nice. I think that's how all AMIKA products smell, if I'm not mistaken. And there has been, I don't love all of them, there has been one product I don't like. It was like their heat protectant, I want to say. I can't remember. But other than that, grand slam on everything else. Amazing. Great. How much were you? $19? $19. Cool. On to the next item, which I kind of got as a gift because I feel like I didn't like anything in the category, like a standout kind of a like. And there's been a lot of people asking for like hand creams, lotions, things like that. It's coming into the drier, colder, wintry months. We're all washing our hands more because we don't want to get sick, and we're actually taking our hygiene seriously now. And the, how do you pronounce this? LOCCITANE Shea Butter Hand Cream, which is $26, by the way. I thought it was going to be a great gift because I have someone who's been asking specifically for like hand and foot lotion, as they call it. But, oh, I used the wrong brush. I thought this would be kind of nice. Just because I have like a few, I've never used this brand before, but I've had other ones like in this little like aluminum squeezy bottle, and I thought they were really great, so I figured why not try this. I have heard a lot of mixed things, and I feel like all the nice things I've heard about this brand are all from paid persons, and all the unnice things are from people who've had very bad experiences with the brand themselves. So I'm interested to hear what the person I'm going to be giving this to says and see if I can try it. This is Braille. Do you have Braille on the side of your packaging? Okay, well that's a plus for me. I think that's pretty nice. That way you can like tell what's what when you're grabbing. Not myself, but like anywho. That's pretty cool. And what are you? Do you say anything? You just hand cream? Cream. Dry skin hand cream. 20% shea butter. Does that mean anything to me? No. 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 And there's not like a how-to or anything? No. No? How should, like... Okay, so it says at least twice a day, apply a generous amount of cream onto the hands and gently massage into the palms, back of the hands, nails, and cuticles. Like on my nails? I wear the polish. I can see what you're saying there. Okay. Good experiences, bad experiences from this brand? Let me know. I'm curious. But we're waiting for the gifting days to find out. Hopefully they get excited like immediately after they open it while I'm still there, and like go to try it right, so then I could try it right away, and it'll be like try, you know what I mean? Immediate. The last item in my Boxycharm by Ipsy December 2024 box is from a brand that I've tried, adored, loved, Good Soup. It's living proof. Their scalp care dry scalp treatment. Scalp. $38. It's a microbiome balancing treatment. Relieves dryness, itching, and irritation, which like I don't exactly have necessarily exactly. First of all, I've tried like a couple products from Living Proof and they've all been really great. I think I might have made a video about one of them and I was like, eh. But no, let me tell you, like long-term use, oh, so good. Oh, that's cute. So it shows you how to put it on. You do 6 this way, 4 this way, and then rub it in. That's cool. Do not rinse. Use 3 times per week, style as usual. So back to my whole, I don't exactly have like dry skin or a dry scalp necessarily, because I do have dry skin. My hands are dry right now. I get itchy right here on my scalp, and then like just on the back. Like that's it. And it's not even all the time, it's only sometimes. Why, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'm just still trying to figure out how to like balance the washing, like double cleanse and then condition, or the leave-in products or all these things. So maybe this will help a little. Like, I'm not going to use it the way it says. Should I use it the way it says? I feel like that'd be kind of like wasteful. Useful and wasteful, I guess, because I'm going to use it. But I don't need it all over and like around my head. I just need it like right here, this little patch, not even like down here, just this little patch, and then like a little patch back, and that's it. No? Yeah. We'll see. Maybe I just have to figure out the balance between everything, you know? Ooh. It's about glam time you treated yourself. That's kind of cute. Okay. Like, the box is annoying, but the little thing on the bottom is adorable. I'm not mad at that. Can I put this in here nicely? Am I still doing the, like, look at my fish kind of cute? Oh, that just jumped right in there on its own. Stay. No? Yeah, okay. Sort of. Can I do, like, one of these and then one of these? Oh, it's because the box was dented. But here she is. My box. December 2024. Boxycharm by Ipsy. The lid's too heavy. But that's it. Here she is. The whole thing. I turned it towards me. Sorry. That's the whole thing. I love it. So for sure that's going in the bathroom. That one's going in my next to use drawer. That's going in the bathroom. That's going in the gift pile. And I have to go through my shelf back there to give things away. So if we're close this holiday season, I'm probably going to be handing you off some skincare. Be prepared. Anywho, thanks for hanging out. I'm going to go now. If you like this video, go check out the other videos in my Boxycharm playlist. I think it's just Boxycharm, but I put all my other videos over there. You can see my past boxes, see if it's something you enjoy, if it's worth it, if you like it, if you don't, let me know in the comments. I do enjoy a good chat every now and then. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Bye!